In our community, there has been a guy who's been very similar to you, and he had a problem. He had the problem of starting going to the gym, and he didn't know what to do. Unluckily, he didn't have his friends to come with him and tell him what could he do. There was no one next to him to help you. So he struggled at the beginning. He didn't know how to train properly, what to do on a daily basis, what to do workout after workout, which exercises should he do, and how should he structure his plan. Up until he found source of information, maybe this video, about a very easy to implement and useful gym plan. Today we will be talking about push-pull legs 3-day gym split. As I've said, it's for you beginners out there. Don't take me wrong. Andrew Huberman, in his podcast, said that you are the beginner at the gym for around first 2 years of your workouts. So you may feel already experienced, yet you are still a beginner. Me too, I'm still a beginner because I'm in the 9th month of working out. So about the plan. As I've said, it's 3-day split. Well, push-pull legs. So at the first day, related to push, we do exercises that contain pushing the weight, not pulling it or something else. What muscles push the weight? It's our chest, it's our shoulders, and it's our tricep. Those three are pushing muscles. So we work them on push day. About exercises, there are plenty of them. You can look for them in the internet very easily. The greatest thing about looking for the exercises in the internet now is that you can find a video of a correct form of every exercise you'd like to perform, if it already has been made, because you may try and do your own exercise, and it may even get famous as Arnold press. You have to have some experience, so wait with it and do something that's proven to be safe. Look for exercises out there and watch videos about how to perform them. About chest, you can do bench press. Both with dumbbells and a barbell. An easy tip: if your bench is like that, and you're lying on it, it will work your chest, your whole chest, in the same manner. But most of those benches are tiltable. You can lay like there, with your head up there. And while laying like that, you will focus on your upper chest muscles. But if you tilt it like that, with your head down there, you will get more focus on the upper side of the chest. You can also do some flies, some exercises on the gate. There are plenty of them. Look for them in the internet. Try out what suits you and do it. Again, after again, of course. Push day after push day after push day, so you get the consistency. About shoulders also, you can do lateral raises, you can do shoulder press, military press, Arnold press, overhead press. It's plenty of them. Up to chin rows, everything. Look for it in the internet. Look it out how it looks and try to do it on your next workout. About tricep, also skull crushers, overhead, I don't know the name, but where you have a bar dumbbell and you work with it behind your head, and also on the gate with ropes. Just look for what suits you. Day 2 is the pull day. So you work the muscles that pull the weight. Those muscles are back muscles, your abdominals, your abs, and bicep muscles. And also, with your back, plenty of exercises. Pull-ups, barbell rows, deadlifts, anything you could find in the internet, and do the form correctly. Be aware with deadlifts. They're a great exercise, but it's easy to do a bad form, and when you do a bad form there, it's easier to hurt yourself than in other exercises, I believe. So with deadlifts, make sure that someone is with you, or just make sure that you've watched enough of the form and know all the needed things you have to implement while doing. Don't hurt yourself just like that. I believe you're not stupid enough to do something wrong and hurt yourself because you just haven't checked how to do it properly. Trust me. Abdominals, also a lot of exercises, planks or crunches, anything. For your bicep curls, preacher curls, barbell curls, dumbbell curls, anything. So find what suits you. This would be for the day 2. Day 3 is the leg day. Some like it, some people like it, some people don't like it. Here is where you work your legs, as the name calls. So with your legs, you have to work your upper legs, so upper from the knee to your body, but also focus on your calves, the lower legs, and balance it out to make the most of it. And also exercises a lot. Squats with barbell, hamstring rows or curls. I don't know exactly the names, so excuse me with that, but I will try. Calf raises, seated and while standing. You could do leg press, Bulgarian split squats, lunges, anything. About the exercises, as I've said, look it up and find what's the best for you. But about the split, separating your workout, your whole body into those 3 days makes it easy for you to... It's a convenient plan because at first it's simple to vary. You can change exercises, you can try new things, you can change those exercises without being afraid of putting too much pressure on a certain muscle and not hurting it on next workout, because it's separated into sections, so you'll have enough time. You can vary, you can change the amount of exercises you put on certain muscles on the day. So at first you may start with putting a balanced amount of exercise on your chest, shoulders and tricep on the push day. Yet with the progress, you feel that you need more for your chest to work, because chest is the biggest muscle on the day. So for it to work and grow properly, you need to put more pressure on it. So you add other exercises while removing some from, I don't know, tricep probably. And you still will be working those muscles in a good way. It's something that you have to feel by yourself. Because I can't exactly tell you how your body is gonna react. I can try to imagine how it's gonna react, but everybody is different. So it's easy to make those changes on the plan. Second thing, as I've said, you can test new exercises without being afraid of putting too much pressure, because you have enough time on that plan, on that schedule, for you to make some changes and try new things out, just like that. Third thing, it's easy to schedule, because those are 3 days that are not bonded. So it's not like when you work the chest on the first day, you should make at least a day of rest, because the chest has to be also ready for the another workout. No, it has every muscle in this plan has the whole week to regenerate. Remember, muscle grows only when it regenerates, especially when you sleep. Not exactly at the gym. At the gym you tire the muscle and it has to rest, especially in your sleep, and while it rests, it grows with strength and with size. So the rest for the muscle is important. And in this plan, you get a week of rest for every part of your body. When you progress, you can do 6-day push-pull legs. So push-pull legs, rest. It's also great. Your results are gonna skyrocket, but I'm not sure whether or not it's good for the very beginners. But if you already have some experience and have time and will to do 6 workouts a week, go for it. If you are only beginning going to the gym, I know it's important to start simple, yet doing anything, doing what you feel like doing some bro splits not gonna exactly work. It's better when you start with a simple but effective plan, and push-pull legs 3-day split is, I think, the greatest for the beginner that is out there. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you want, subscribe to my channel so you will get notifications about my other videos, which I hope will be valuable, and you will be able to learn new things about life from them, and go make your way to a better future and to better body right now. See ya.